Magic Circle Platform Animation Tutorial in Alight Motion. Drawing the magic circle. First, I'll head into Ibis Paint X and bring up a square canvas. Enable the Rotation Symmetry ruler. Draw your magic circle from the center, leave some area for the rest of the magic circle. Then add a layer and draw the magic circle taking up the middle area. Add one more layer and finish the circle. Don't fill up the whole canvas, just leave it at a circle. Then save all of the layers separately as transparent PNGs. Animating the magic circle. Open Alight Motion, then tap on the plus. Go to Media and import the magic circle images. Take the center one and go to Move and Transform. Then to Rotation and add a keyframe. Go to the end of the layer and rotate the layer. I'll rotate it 3 times. Do the same for the outer layer. Now for the middle layer, add the rotation keyframe but rotate it the opposite way. This will create this magic circle animation. Magic circle perspective. Select all the magic circle layers and group them. To move the magic circle in perspective, go to Effects and apply the Flip Layer effect from the 3D category. Set the axis to 90 degrees if you want the magic circle on the floor, then increase the angle. You can also add keyframes, then animate the axis and angle. Applying glow on the magic circle. Since the magic circle has a transparent background, you can go to Border and Shadow and enable the shadow. Set a light color to give an effect similar to a glow. You can apply these effects to add a glow. From the Color and Light category, Light Glow, Soft Glow, and Rays. From the Drawing and Edge category, Glow, Electric Edges, and Edge Glow. One effect I'd like to mention is the Cool Evil Glow. Applying the Electric Shock preset of the Electric Edges effect will create this cool glow. Adjust the distance for the glow to appear all over the magic circle. Note, the Evolution in Mask category of the Electric Edges effect controls how fast these glows are going to appear, in other words, the frequency. Placing the character on the magic circle. Bring your character. I animated Baldy using the technique I showed in my idle animation tutorial. Apply the Oscillate effect onto the character to create a floating movement. Set the angle to 90 degrees for the character to move vertically up and down. You should adjust the frequency, which controls how fast the character moves up and down, and the magnitude for how far away the character can float. Then set up and adjust the scene. I'll add location keyframes and make the character fly up. I'll make the character fly up fast, then keep moving upward slowly. A technique from this tutorial. I'll apply the gradient overlay effect to cast the color from the magic circle onto the legs of the character. Scene adjustments, filling the floor. Some people may want the magic circle to fill up the entirety of the ground. For that, duplicate the magic circle and delete the center circle. Exit the group and scale the magic circle up and it will cover the floor properly. You may have this watermark at the bottom of the composition. I would recommend you to scale down the scene elements so you can cut this part off later as it cannot be fixed. Now I'll add a square and apply a white to black linear gradient. Set the blending mode to multiply. The background is black, so the further into the background something is, the darker it will be. That's why I'm darkening the back part of the circle. I'll add another square, apply the copy background effect and the zoom blur effect. Due to the copy background effect, the zoom blur will be applied to the whole scene. I'm doing this to create a focus on the character. I'll apply a glow effect onto the character to make it look better. Finally, I'll add the auto shake effect onto the whole scene. This will give off that powerful feeling. You can check out my magical tutorials playlist to find more cool tutorials.